Good evening, Rodent fans, photographers. I've been getting this question a lot about, I upload my photo to Facebook and it just doesn't look right. It's fuzzy, it's not as crisp or sharp. So that's what this tutorial is going to be all about. We're going to take this old boat here when we had the golden hour and the Canadian wildfires, smoke in the air, made the ultimate golden hour. So strap in, let's go. Okay, so there's a couple things we have to learn. There's a certain size that you can do for Facebook before it really starts cramming down the compression on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into image size, and we want to save all our images at 2048 megapixels. That's going to be on your longest edge. So if you have a portrait style, it'll be down in height. You have a landscape like this, is going to be right here in the width. You want to make sure you're in pixels. Here's the secret. You want bicubic sharper reduction. Click OK. It's going to shrink this down to our Facebook size. Now we're going to go up here and go to File, Export. Quick export is PNG, not JPEG. We don't want JPEG, we want PNG. We're just going to save it as a 7 bracket boat. And there we go. Now you can upload it to your Facebook. What this does, it adds a little bit of sharpness to it. It's a little overkill, kind of, for me. But once Facebook gets a hold of it and knocks it down to just about where you have it on your screen when you're editing it. All right, guys. Have a good night. We'll have more tutorials coming. I'm starting to feel a lot better. Unfortunately, I got to go back to work tomorrow. But anyway, we are out. God bless. Have a good night.